Good morning, everybody. We're here at Fish City Grill, Georgetown, Texas. Finally got some boots after 6 months of chemical burns on my ankles. So this is what we're taking care of. We're taking care of this entryway. You can see how dirty that is, just from all the foot traffic going in and out. And then we are doing this patio along the side and back here. So gonna get set up. I'll have some good videos for you guys to show what we're taking care of. I hope everyone's having a good day. All right, y'all, so we got that patio done. We're in the back now, taking care of this little exit part, and then in here, this is like basically a storage slash loading room for when they bring in food and stuff to this restaurant. But just taking care of all that grease and grime on the ground.